If you're planning a trip but worried about your indoor plants, don't stress. In this video, I'll show you how to water your indoor plants while on vacation. These tips will keep your plants healthy and hydrated until you return. First up, use self-watering planters. These pots have a built-in reservoir that allows your plants to take in water as needed. Perfect for vacations, they can keep your plants hydrated for up to 2 weeks. Another option is the string method. Take a water container and place it near your plants. Insert a cotton string with one end in the water and the other in the plant's soil. The string will wick water into the soil slowly over time. Next, consider using watering globes or watering spikes. Fill them with water and insert them into the soil. The water will be slowly released into the soil over time, keeping your plant hydrated. Group your plants in one area with indirect sunlight. This helps retain moisture by creating a mini humid environment. Water them thoroughly before you leave to keep them hydrated longer. If you're away for an extended period, ask a friend or hire a plant sitter to check on your plants once or twice. It's the most reliable way to ensure they stay healthy. Now you know how to keep your indoor plants hydrated while you're away. Safe travels and happy gardening. You can find all the products in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more gardening tips and plant care advice. Grower today.